Bia Kamal Kanwar online TV channel and Nermala Kenyam we can ask the alacon Tilianka right no guasame Kanwar online TV channel. Roger Dan Bana Queen Kajan Guasame Roger Dan Chituo Kia Gagan Chituo come SPLM IO top official and Wale Kajoan Cha Queen Kaja Bana Jo me Bana Jilin Kel Katadan and Shajalat Kaja. Mende ko remind ke kurun wang gwada dan te warga me kono kwenen wo shi kwere rewde la deputy chairman ka SPLM IO men good Dr. Riek Machar wudin shal ke Nathaniel o yet warga cho gorm dan kurun wang a chela de gwanu shen kwadang wan ka SPLM IO chaka woch so ji kon diala ngajen wo no mo che gor antema ka den kor changdar dan man cha gor aram kel mi cha woch jen dong bana ko le lingone so take a role medin mi to key division ka kam SPLM IO ke jen gwasme gor jen wo beje nyaka yekel ka do badan en chaja nun kaja ken kono ni ami jiram jidit kan online TV channel gor jen wo jin der subscribe ka nor online TV channel ka dir notification be alert je twain ko de ler titi de kan chwa mala shub kaji gor jen wo beje lat ye ka do badan inshallah kaja bane chulinkel re kuma ka ayo chete kerol mi chito gan wale an wale shenga baro ko pay ngwaron kina dangro jen dangro de diech kweren gu Dr. Riek Machar ki deputy chairman cha kwar dangwan chaka wuch radian kan kwar dangwan to cheramkel radian ke kan dial kan logo no woke ke bad ramkel jen jikula rajone honorable Stephen Parkol ko kane ko na cha wuch honorable Agok makurkur kane honorable Dinglam yuel kane ko ya wuch baram na ni kul rai gwad men ci riya kalong ka che joro che youtube che lani o chonga kel ke kume so ram mo honorable Stephen Parkol ajara ma chalat ka gwad dan ci kon lingen go jen wa kane pot kan cha kamrar no de kan gwa Dr. ma cha de kan gwal ji pot ka ngaten down na mo she look to wishen question betray ka shen bi gorno ba gwar beje kan ci karo mo ji kan kwen many point of far call ba che look bon ko do bran she look je men ji kulat gwas me jeni chunga kel kana kwen kirma yadit par call che la do ne che nasanel o yet kwere la deputy ro de me chodo bare wiki juba che jogo no jin che thiay yone are kuma kana me mekene thiay ngum jen ga jire wich ka juba benye kwene Dr. Riek Machar benye pin chong wene le ne long ko de jelon poinde en Dr. Riek Machar men ban kulin gwase me la histoire jen poinde nyoko rode histoire nyoko rode histoire mi ko to no wal ke 2016 wan tam nyoko rode ka do badana nyoko rode je awajen gwade dan ke 2016 ci tabande ngai ci mishir gna me ci jelat meje kor meje tore wi ke juba ci gan ma char churin ka ko kongo kene de nikel no an gwasmo shu tabande ngai ci gwa Dr. ma char chu lo kan cha ko nyala vice president ajen mo ngur ge je tin chu men wala so gwe ge jen o en kuma kirma yadit kel ke kene de content la je SPLM ji te ci tiayne wal ka Dr. ma char kene de content yar ka winyan content re wi ki juba antama ko kene diala ko tendere wiki juba ko aga treta na longo no ba muy keriek so jen do badana tiaga kan dial roja chalat gwasme rojm beje jen wude shwal ka me honorable Stephen Parkol jene gan ataka kume jene melade moni jene you are joking joke Nathaniel yet che jogo no jin che tiayo no korwado so kujemo shikonde Martin and she suspend can name and suspend jene can suspend she de suspend like that ke she de wo re kwara ka woje dana woje che de mun talk million kon jow wood kaneme jow wood comment channeling men ci warga gorno jene men ci lado joke of the year joga Nathaniel yet la kwara road men ci watch Stephen Far ko cha de watch men jow men jeling ba
we call it a joke of the year. It is a joke of the year. Nathaniel does not have constitutional powers to do that. He's doing it because, he flooded the city, he ran away. And he does not control anything now.
Jenen Nathaniel she teram ko control. jene tele luanka ko tele ramte luanka je so ko kuje mo chete ka position ko dera ne watch jen choro da bare wi juba lo raje je lo raje la rami mo chi thiay already
problem is that he's hearing that we are organizing an NLC. You know, NLC is the second largest organ of the party between session.
A gentleman ga ka Nathaniel gaje jene connecte ka party ki te ka dol mo dol ne ndol mo jene jen jek Nathaniel loide ka jamone ram raje Steven far karam kel ka SPLM IO men thiay ko larje no jin thiay already so ko shi ajere wi ko juba chilo ngore la ran party ka wi jeng loide ko te ka dol mo dol ne ke kume men roi ke kirmo yadit so man chala de national gwata me ajene nana ajene kan wada chagor ka SPLM IO chagor no te karame bi dol tel approval ka kuera la commander in chief ka SPLM IO mama Dr. Riek Machar so kuje mo ene dol ba dolo aram bi dol ke kirmo yadit nyo de je gwan wo shiran pada ka SPLM IO memo togo na me ko ene bon te ka constitution mi kan yal twin no jen ba jogro goro Michi Stephen Far la talk Chakairar Chimu Chakairar and you Diagano Chad didn't go there are part of SPLM IO.
The conventions and the ordinary and extraordinary convention. So it's preempted because we are actually going to delink ourselves from them. They are rebel and we are with the government. Militarily or politically.
Jene Buner da we SPLM IO a Kanika con government ne ti ke rebel. So chole just SPLM IO ke rebel kajen a part of SPLM IO no one but gojen thiay kajen gwadamo ka kumen cha gora wale cha nyudo gwano cha mishit ka mishala tabande ngai cha jalat so juga Nathaniel no jin rebel ana ran kume so ajen dana gora no de yen lingana bianga ja gwano chi kume SPLM IO ntama Nuer kon de tin chi kan kume chi kan yar kume Dr. Machar so ngoda ba Dr. Machar tel me bi nyan ko jen ngaje tin diala kon ngene diala kon shunga jakel eno so Sudan be te kamal e Dr. Machar kene diala ti ke miene ken kene go no kon tel rien mo gor kana
this is nonsense because there is no document like that. We are actually advocate the groups inside here. Our position is very clear. You have seen our press statements. We call for the release of our chairman. We call for ceasefire and the peace process on track. That is the policy position of everybody, including the chairman. Uyad is not the chairman. I'm not the chairman. And then nobody, I can be dismissed only through a disciplinary process in the political bureau. We don't work like this. You know, our internal rules, regulations, and code of conduct are very clear. There is no misconduct. And even if there is misconduct, what you need to do first is investigation. You don't go straight to what he's saying. And where is he anyway? Is he in Juba or where is he? You don't run to the bush to start, agitating things that are not happening. There is no documents or any declaration that we have made yet to dismiss that missions. And even if we do that, it will be unconstitutional because the only organs of the party that can remove anybody from its position is the convention. Other duties can be carried out between session by the political bureau and the National Liberation Council. And that's the thing we are doing. We yet has actually defected from the SPLM IO because he left the chairman here and the NLC here and the political bureau. If you get hold of him, ask him how many members of political bureau are with him in the bushes of South Sudan now. It's criminals. What he's doing is in violation actually of all our documents. The internal rule and regulations, code of conduct, the constitutions, and the manifesto. He violated all of them by his things. Even by running away from here, he also violated the law of South Sudan. There is no internal regulation. What is happening is that we have defectees who have vanished to the bush. The rest of us are still working together. And anything that you hear we are doing is procedural within our constitutional rules and regulations. We call it...
But the reality is this. Ala kume take on what. So in chairman akula lado ala Dr. Machar, cha dol charge de dol teleje teach a kana take kana approve a nyok cha dol charge de dol tele deputy chairman ala Nathaniel yet so an mulat ka gwata me Stephen far gwaje long commander anen men lat pad jen ode na te kamat kaje so munyo de gwanu anyok chole jen we rebel chole jen o jini thiay shi Dr. Riek Machar shi je ban pin rewich Dr. Riek Machar ngade midit mitera deje intimidate so changdo dre we tell a problem anyok murwe kon ka general SPLM IO te konte cha de nagre loka ka kor gwate payo kuma point de no belaro de na de ka do de jen en mulonge jemone lonje ke ka agreement kene kirm yadi chika ta ko lo rage jen tame e nonsense ladne roine te chilling so ka token dia nyu de gwan wo jen chela ngudala ran SPLM IO jen ta yeda ne cha lat tabande ngayno mishi defect biro de jago jin ran SPLM IO ba ekuler ngich kirma yadit so ba akas ran SPLM IO but in reality chicken met ken ramadan chairman kula lar ken Dr. Machar so na me agenda le ro shajeling agenda na chi backfire wala 7 par call chat thiay ka SPLM IO kamba ngur ka SPLM IO nim dong che statement din cheje mek ko itin la daga ku ko contradict constitution dana men ki men ku SPLM IO ku je guide ko ngai kono gwano en SPLM IO take rule a changcha chairman a changcha je yen te ga ramadan en men ku diala to ku la chike ramadan la deputy chairman a ramadan te ka long anyok deputy chairman la Nathaniel ye take chong ko jen chela da gwane ne so ene dola biya dolo yene kontere yuki juba ano atele chairman atele jowtin ki tele jowtin chia dolo mo chaje budol so right now chine yido juba kene jin ramadan chi jere we jin ramadan chi jen ka SPLM IO how ano so ko cha Dr. Machar chaje yen te reality so agenda na go de nyo yekelen be the judge but in reality SPLM IO che be fele la talk mo kon ko ko ramadan men ku SPLM IO ku je kere Dr. Riek Machar kene reality kene ti wona ken ten lora banko just go no but ke seat but Riek Machar che go seat go no so Sudan but kamal only that anyoko no bi mal be ben mo kwala den unify force mo kana ko real ka chi mal che ben okay permanent constitution mo kana ko real ka che ben so kere oditi so na me mugoro de yana nyok kalien anyong man biya ngai rewi ka so Sudan tam right corner cha ngodo den cha nyo yan pin ko kor kana me ci kuma point en kum kirmi yadi de ni ga dia kanu en ramta ka mai rewi ka so Sudan ba mai da baje ka baje register so na me another move mugoro jeno ba ne dia la corner ramta ka maj wona ka jejen borkelio ba meken ba ka but chebe men to ko this is what is going to happen na me ba backfire mit wukan lat kana sar chebe chop maybe dong lat kana mai okay dong de kuje ko mai ute pinya te pin kirma yadit so mu kan mai ka kep okay dong ajen de kuje dong ti ga kep but mu ko mai kep ka ko ba don't think ba it happen so tell my ram ba kep they are lying these people tell my ram kep kan contain la de ni SSPDF ko gurgan duo buga na dominate keje but charge kule ne contain la kwanwere so je nan kule lare go ban jimu ni biate mal